are here today. We are here today, guys. So, kinot namin ang box ng pa-square. Tsaka dito, natapos na nga. At hindi pala natapos kasi ambot. Real fake. Inuwingan naman namin dito para maging straight ang cut namin. Para walang pahiwi-hiwi dyan. At yun na nga guys. So, cut natin sa huli.
Reklamo si Mama Etik. Tanggalin mo kasi tanggalin. Kasi dali. Lock kasi ni. Kasi mga tanggalin natin. Ano yun? Tidak ada. Tanggalin lagi. Tanggalin.
Mga teman dengan
Oke, ito to.
So dito nga guys, ayun, umaso ang aming lugan kaya kami ay natakot, nilagay namin sa kaino at mamaya-maya tinanay namin uli at dito, boom, ayun, may kalayo, biglaan lang, buti na lang napigilan namin at aming inilagay ng malayo. So dito, malapit na namin matapos ang aming mga proyekto kaya nangingiram kami ng scotch tape para i-bind sila ng isa't isa. At doon, scotch tape, nakahiram na kami kaya nilagyan na namin. Yo! Sige, cut na natin. Dito, sinimulan na namin magpapilit ng mga magazine sa aming proyekto na Volcano. Kaya ito, panoorin nyo lang. Yun na nga, natapos na namin ilagay ang mga magazine kaya pinapatuyo pa namin, nilagay namin sa labas at pinatayo namin. Kaya watch till the end, bro.
Yellow packet.
So dito di namin natapos kaya gabi na dyan. Sa bahay ko natatapusin. Nag-aamutan lang sila para bibili ng aming kailangan. Dito pinauwi na kami kaya dan ako sa shortcutan dumaan sa kagubatan kung saan may maraming hindi nating alam. Mga kababalaghan, mga hayop, mga bitin at marami pang ibang dangerous na mai-encounter or maaaring ma-encounter natin. Real. So here I started to paint the volcano and finally we're done. This is the finished product. I painted it at the night before. So here is the finished product. Here is the info and don't have forever love and spray. So wow guys. What the fuck, I think that's too much. How much gum is this? Look at this. This big. Oh, I think it's really good. Good work, bro. Let's go. Oh, I think I put too much. It's okay. Oh, I think still bonding. It's still erupting, guys. It's still erupting. Look, look. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's go. Very good, very cool. Oh, look at that. So that is it, guys. So this is a stratovolcano, or for short, cone volcano. It is a almost perfect shape volcano. And this is for the, what do I call this thing? I'm gonna call this volcano the overexploded, because it's exploded too much, bro. Like what? It exploded too much. Let's go, guys. You can see it here. Ooh, very grimy. Wait. So yummy. So in the frame, I use pintura in the poster frame. Then here, I use a, you see this? I use a box. I cut it out in a square. And I put the volcano in the middle. Then we boom, boom. We put it, guys. Boom. Now this is a use. I'm gonna clean this up now. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe my channel, and I will show you more. I'm gonna show you more without the video if you want.